Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Skyline 2000GT-R and this is the LBWK version. And so if you guys remember, we did unbox this specific casting, in a different color, I think in a white color if I'm not wrong, when it originally came in India. So I just went ahead, bought this for this specific color and the livery it had, and it looked really nice compared to the one which I already have. So, and one more thing is, I know the collection video is still due. I've been traveling a lot, and I'm not in Chennai for not even a single week consistently. So I'm not able to do that video properly. But once I'm back, once I complete all my travel and all, maybe start of next year or the first week of end of first week of next year, I will be doing that video, so that it will be like a fresh start for us. Okay, so let's talk about this casting now. So out of the box, so this is a tuned version. I personally love tuned versions because it just looks really cute. That's it. So but it does have, as usual, you can see some damage on the windshield. The paint job does look really nice. I am not going to complain on that part, at least as of now. They do have headlight details, which is really nice. They do have some kind of damage here, paint damage, as you can see. Let's see the back. Okay, they don't have any rear details, like tail lights and all. So it does have some exhaust details here, which is really nice, just protruding out. So there are no chassis details. So see, I recently saw a lot of older Hot Wheels. One of our friend actually bought, and it was delivered to my home only. We were unboxing that, and we are just seeing the older Hot Wheels. I'm talking about very old ones. Those actually had, every car actually had chassis detail, which was really nice to see. But the recent ones, only very few has that, which is really disappointing. And anyway, cost cutting measures. Okay, so it does have interior detail to it. So if you guys are wondering, the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So the rims looks really nice, and it does go really well with the livery they have here. So let's do a roll test now. Okay, it does roll good. Okay, I don't see any wheel wobble or anything. Yeah, it rolls really well. So let me just take my weighing machine out. I forgot to take it out before recording the session. Okay, I hope it is here. Yeah, it is here. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, done. Let me just see. Okay, it weighs 24 grams. Okay, it's a lot less compared to, it even feels very light if you ask me. So it doesn't feel heavy or anything. It is too light. Even compared to the tuned Volkswagen, if you have that one, that's the first tuned casting which I got. No, original tuned version which I got was the Countach, but I never realized that was a tuned one until recently. Maybe I think last year or start of this year when I was cleaning up, the cases behind this one. So you can see the Super Trophy here, the green one. The Countach is on top of that, the tuned one. That's my very first tuned version of a car, and I bought it somewhere around 2017, I guess, maybe for 120 rupees. Good times, really, right? So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.